All right, just wanted to give everybody a quick update. I guess this would be part 2 of building the AMT International TRANSTAR. I can't quite get the whole box in the shot here, but you know what I'm talking about. That's the re-release from AMT. It probably was released 4 or 5 years ago. They kind of call it a reimagined second version of the original TRANSTAR kit that they probably produced, 40, 45 years ago. But anyways, I got the engine constructed over the past 2 weeks, and let me tell you, this thing is a beauty. It's just a beauty. This is the most detailed truck engine stock truck engine right out of the box, right out of the kit that I've ever built. And it just went together so well, so easy, and it just looks great. It's extremely detailed. This is a Detroit diesel. I painted it the Detroit red. Just really nice detail on this, and it fit together so well. This kit is off to a great start with me. Just kind of trying to show you guys everything. I haven't weathered it yet, and I will weather it next. I'm not sure if I really want to. It looks so cool. And I got to paint the belts and a few other things, the pulleys. Okay, so that was step 2 and step 4. Step 3 was the radiator. I'll show you that in a moment. But you can see there was quite a few parts on step 2 to create the engine. And it took me almost 2 weeks, but not that I've been working on it a ton. I've got some other things going on too, but very easy to put together. Here's the transmission part. Okay, and then I was able to build the radiator, which was step 3, and again, just went together so easily. This is only primed so far, but again, a lot of really nice detail on the on the tooling. And then I started to build the rails of the frame, the chassis. So that would be down here in step 5. That's where I am right now. So eventually this will come together like this. The engine painted in Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover enamel. And then, like I've told you guys on some of my other videos, this was first primed with the Rust-Oleum automotive primer, just a gray automotive primer. This works great, safe on the plastic, never had an issue. And then obviously I top coated that with the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover Red. That is actually an apple red. This is actually the apple red. And then the radiator, you can see what the gray primer looks like. This chassis will get the primer next. So that's where we're at. So far, so good. Great start. Really happy with this. Really looks great. Went together so easy. Everything fit together so well. So I'll go back now and do some detailing. I use a variety of washes. I use, like, so you guys know if you've seen my other videos, the Tamiya panel liner accent color black. And then on this, I'll also probably use a little bit of the brown and do a wash. So just wanted to kind of keep this short, just to show you guys where I'm at. I don't work as much on the models in the spring and summer as I do in the winter, so the videos might slow down a little bit. They'll be a little bit few and far between compared to the winter months when I'm working on these a lot more. I like to try to do other things in the spring and summer, get outside while the weather is nice. So But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching as always. I like the comments, try to respond to every comment. And I hope you guys stick along for this build. It's going to last for the next several months, probably well into the fall, I'm thinking, just because I don't work as hard in the spring and summer on the kits. But I hope you guys stick with it and you get something from these. And that's it for tonight. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.